What's going on, guys? I love coffee, and for good cooking you'll need clean grinder. Back in January 2017 I decided to get serious to buy my Graef CM 702. It costed about $85 and grind enough beans for a full day of coffee for one addicted person, and to accommodate the coarse grind needed for a full year without cleaning. And I haven't regret my choice, but sometimes you need to disassemble the device and clean it. You can see the dirt from the grinder, which is everywhere. There are many different videos on YouTube, like DIY, they say wrong information, and from my perspective they can confuse you. I will show you the right way with my own experience. Follow me, listen carefully. You can see the grinder itself. It consists of 3 parts. Do what I do and disassemble it bit by bit. It looks like matryoshka. We don't damage anything, there is no rush. Like I said, just do what I do. There will be a lot of sticky dust. Get ready to clean it. First step, before I get to lower grinder with stainless steel, I'll need direct your attention to the 2 buttons. They are the most important parts of the device. Be careful. If the grinder stops working after cleaning, it will be because of them. We will need to get out 4 head screws. Carefully remove the cover. This springs element inside may shoot out in any direction. Don't lose anything. And here we got 2 springs and 2 plastic sticks. And then we insistently clean everything. It won't take much time. I got in my hand button and spring. Just follow me. This should work easily, like this. Now we assemble plastic parts, like me. You should assemble it from the bottom up. You need to match all these buttons. And then we put spring and button inside. In that fixed place we will need combine these parts. And in the meantime close the cover. This is the most difficult part of the video. And please, don't hurry. You need to wash 2 buttons at the same time. I succeeded for the 5th time. All is easy, but not comfortable. You'll need to get used to it. And finally, all these buttons are in their place. Everything is running and spinning. All grind settings have to have clicks. If the grinder is not working, then the problem is with these buttons. And thank you for watching, guys. I wish you success.